Students, today our topic is Society and Culture in the Ancient Tamilagam and the Sangam Age. Okay, we are going to see about Sangam Age on this chapter. So, Sangam Age is called Mudal Changam, Idai Changam and Kadai Changam. Okay, so this is associated with poets. Okay, so under the Pandya kingdom time in Madurai. Okay, so Pandya kingdom time they given very important to the poets. Okay, so lots of poets written the poems on this period. So that collectivity is known as the Sangam literature. Okay, so the period in which these poems were composed is called the Sangam age. Okay, so you will see about the Cheras. So Moovendar we call it Chera, Chola, Pandya, that we call it as a Moovendars. Okay, so they are controlled the Tamilagam during the Sangam age. Okay, so the Tamil word Vandar, okay, that means the king. Okay, Vandar means the king. Okay, the emperor. Okay, namely Cheras, Cholas and Pandyas. The Cheras ruled over the center and northern Travancore, Cochin, South Malabar and Kongu region and all they were ruled on that period. Okay, the Paditru Pattu is providing the lots of information in that period, Chera period. Okay, so this is known as the Chera. King Sengutuvan is famous in them. Okay, so he brought stones from the Himalaya for making the ideal of Kannagi and epic character from Silapadigaram. Okay, so Silapadigaram Kannagi, you know, see, burn the Pumbugar. Okay, see, she introduced Pattinam cult and Chera Chenguvittuvan brother Ilango Adigal. So Chera Chenguvittuvan brother is Ilango Adigal. Okay, see, he is the author of the Silapadigaram. This Silapadigaram is written by Ilango Adigal. Another Chera king, Cheran Irum Porai. So Cheran Irumpurai is coin his name. Okay, issued his coin and on his name. Okay, that Soma Chera coins bear the emblem of bow and arrow. Their symbol is bow and arrow. Next, we will see about the Cholas. The Chola kingdom of Sangam period extended up to very that means Tirupati hills to Vengadam. Vengadam means Tirupati hills. Okay, up to there the kingdom was extended. Okay, the Kaveri Delta region remained the center important part of the kingdom because the Chola period they have given the importance of the cultivation. Okay, they have given importance to the cultivation. So this area was later known as the Chola Mandalam. So Karigal Valavan or Karigalan was the most famous Chola in Chola period. Okay, he defeated the Cheras, Pandyas, even Velier chiefs. Okay, so they are supported by Veni and small villages in the Tanjavur region. So the Karigalan Cholan captured the lots of places. Okay, so he converted the forests into cultivable land. So that period, whatever the areas are surrounded by forests, he announced that who was making this one as the cultivable land, that land will be given to them itself. So the people are showed interest on cultivable lands. So they were converted the forest into the cultivable lands. He built Kallanai. Okay, so Karigala Cholan built the Kallanai across the river Kaveri, and he shown lots of important to the agriculture also. Okay, so the port Pugar is attract the merchants on that time. Okay, from various region of the Indian Ocean. The Pattinam Balaya poetic work is Padinankil Kanaka gives elaborate information of the trading activities. That gives the lots of information about the Karigalan Cholan. Okay, so he built the Kallanai across the river Kaveri. Okay, that is the important point of that one. Okay, and he showed lots of interest on agriculture also. Okay, given much important to the agriculture. That's what Chola period சோறுடைத்து அப்படின்னு that way called சோறுடைத்து அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஏன் அப்படின்னா அந்த அளவுக்கு நெல் வந்துட்டு கல்டிவபிள் பண்ணப்பட்டது. பிகாஸ் they have given the importance to the agriculture. Next, Pandyas. So the Pandyas ruled the present day southern Tamil Nadu. So now we calling the Tamil Nadu that area ruled by Pandyas. Okay, so they have given the very important to the Tamil poets and scholars. Scholars means Arinyargal. Okay, so this Pandya period is mentioned because they have given like Cholas, they have given important to the agriculture. Like that, Pandyas given important to the poets. So several poems are written on Sangam literature. Okay, so this period Nedunchaliyan is the important popular warrior on that time. Okay, so he defined the combined army of Chera, Chola and 5 Velir chieftains. Velir chieftains means குறுநில மன்னர்கள் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, அவங்க தான். அட் Talayan Langanam, and he is prized as the Lord of Korkai. So இவர் வந்துட்டு கொற்கையில் வந்துட்டு ப்ரைஸ் கும்பிட்டாங்க. ஓகே, Pandya country was well known where pearl hunting. ஓகேவா, ஸோ முத்து எடுக்கிறதுல பாண்டிய வந்துட்டு ரொம்ப சிறப்பு வாய்ந்தவர்கள். ஓகே, ஸோ பாண்டியா கிங்ஸ் issued many coins. That period they have issued the many coins. Okay, that coins have the elephant one side and another side fish symbol on it. Okay, so both it has the symbol. So one side coin it they have the elephant and the other side fish, because Pandyas is cover the coastal area, so main occupation for them is fish. So Cheras they have showed the military interest in military. Cholas show the interest on agriculture. Pandyas show the interest on poems. Okay, show the interest on poems. So literature all came. So their Mudu Kudumi Peruvaladi. Mudu Kudumi Peruvaladi is issued the coins to commemorate the performance of the Vedic rituals. It's based on Vedic rituals. So what are the Vedic rituals? That is what we are followed in that period. Okay, so Cheras and Cholas and about the Pandyas we have seen. Okay, so apart from these three great kings, there are also some Velir, that means Kurunila Mannargal. They are also on that period. Okay, so they are also the brave and independent ruler on their area. Okay, their name was is derived from the ancient Tamil word Ayar, meaning shepherd. ஆடு மேய்ப்பவர் அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். Okay, meaning shepherd. Among chief of Sangam age, Adiran, Tithiran and Nanan were the important name. அந்த பீரியடில் முக்கியமாக 3 பேர் இருந்தாங்க. ஸோ அவங்க யார் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஆந்திரன், தித்தன் அண்ட் Nanan. ஓகேவா, ஸோ these 3 persons are on that period. Okay, so the Vellavars constituted the ruling and land owning the class in ancient Tamilagam. So they were constituted the land owning class, that means ruling and also land controlling people on ancient Tamilagam. Okay, so the famous Veliyar were the 7 patrons. இந்த குறுமல நில மன்னர்கள்னு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையாங்கண்ணா, அவங்களதுல முக்கியமானவங்க அவங்க யார் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, இப்போ வந்துட்டு பாரி, காரி, ஓரி, பேகன், ஆய், அதியமான் and Nalli. Okay, they were popular for their generous patronage of Tamil poets. ஓகேவா? ஸோ யார் அந்த இதுன்னு பார்த்தோம்னா பாரி, காரி, ஓரி, பேகன், ஆய் and அதியமான் and நல்லி. Okay, these people are very important patrons in that period. They will call it as a கடையேழு வள்ளல்கள். Okay, so Sangam polity. How was the Sangam polity on that period? Okay, so the kings was hereditary. That means king, their eldest son, after that their eldest son, like that it will be on the hereditary. அப்பா, அதுக்கப்புறம் அவங்க மூத்த மகன், அதுக்கப்புறம் அவரோட மூத்த மகன். This is called hereditary. Okay, so like that they have kingship on that period. Okay, so the king was called as the ko means arasan artham. Okay, so it is shortened from the kon na arasan, other shorter ko, like that they are called. Another name also they have called on that period, that is Vendan, Kon, Mannan, Kotravan and Iraivan. Okay, where the other title is given to them. Okay, they are called in these names. So what are the names? Vendan, Kon, Mannan, Kotravan and Iraivan. Okay, these names are called. The eldest son of the reigning king generally succeed. After the king, eldest son is coming to the throne. ஆட்சிக்கு eldest son, மூத்த மகன் வந்துட்டு ஆட்சிக்கு வராது. ஓகேவா? And the crown prince was known as the கோமகன். யார் ஆட்சிக்கு வராரோ that person is known as the கோமகன். King is known as the கோன், son is known as the கோமகன். Okay, so and the younger son is known as the இளங்கோ. Okay, so இளஞ்செழியன் and இளஞ்சேரன். இளங்கோ, they will call it as a இளங்கோ, otherwise இளஞ்செழியன் or இளஞ்சேரன். Okay, so king held a daily darbar at the which he heard and resolved daily darbar. That means daily அவை, நம்ம சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா அவை அப்படின்னு. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி அவைகள் வந்துட்டு கூட்டப்பட்டு, that means darbar. Okay, they will call it as a darbar. So and this resolve the solve and darbar, they will solve all the problems and they will take the decisions also over there. Okay, so Tomaram is mentioned as the missile to be thrown at the enemy from a distance. Okay, so that is the missile. Now we are using the missiles, ஏவுகணைன்னு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, like that they have that period. Tomaram is they have used. Okay, the place where the weapon were kept is known as the padai kottai. Okay, padai kottil. They have in padai kottil they will keep all the weapons on there. Okay, so the forts were protected by deep moats and trenches. Okay, so the forts and all they are protected. Forts means கோட்டை. ஓகேவா? கோட்டைகள் வந்து மிகப்பெரிய மதில் சுவர்களால் ப்ரொடெக்ட் பண்ணப்பட்டது. ஓகே, ஸோ the war drum was worshipped as a deity. ஸோ பார்த்திங்கன்னா அவங்க வந்துட்டு வார் ட்ரம் மூலிமா தான் அவங்க வந்துட்டு அவங்க தெய்வங்களை வணங்கினாங்க. ஸோ law and justice on that period. Okay, the court also that is called as அரசவை. Okay, and the king occupied the ceremonies throne in the court called Ariyanai. So the throne, that throne is called as Ariyanai. So அவர் ஆட்சியில் உட்காந்துருக்காரு இல்லையா, அந்த chair is called as Ariyanai. Okay, the court is surrounded by lots of officials, that means important ministers, court poets, the scholars and all. There will be they will be in the avai. Okay, அரசவை, that we call it as அரசவை. So they are protecting the people and punishing the criminals, presenting the gifts, performing the rituals and all. They will follow, encouraging the learning. Everything will be in followed and over there. Okay, so the avai played a significant role in that period. Okay, so number of officials are listed over here. So they were divided into ஐம்பெருங்குலகு, that means 5 members committee, and Enberaya 8 members group. Okay, so ஐம்பெருங்குழு and Enberayam, that means 5 members is called as ஐம்பெருங்குழு, with 8 members it is called as Emperayam. Okay, so the army also there. Okay, the infantry, cavalry, elephant. Okay, infantry means காலாட்படை, cavalry means குதிரைப்படை, elephants means யானை படை, they have, and chariot force, chariot தேர். Okay, so that and all they kept it on that period. Okay, so the king was the final authority for appeal. So any law and justice comes means whatever the king says, that is the final decisions. Okay, in the capital town the court of justice was called Avai. So the court is called Avai. The villages mandam served as the place for dispensing justice. So they have given the importance for the justice. Okay, the civil cases, the method of trial followed was the call upon the plaintiff to thrust in hand into a pond containing a cobra. So பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, if the cobra bit him, he was sentenced. cobra வந்துட்டு அவங்கள வந்துட்டு கடிச்சிருச்சுன்னா அவங்க வந்துட்டு சென்டென்ஸ், அவங்களுக்கு வந்துட்டு அந்த மாதிரி தண்டனைகள் கொடுக்கப்பட்டது. ஓகே, ஸோ இஃப் த கோப்ரா இஸ் நாட் பிட்டிங் மீன்ஸ் இஸ் த இன்னசென்ட். ஸோ பார்த்திங்கன்னா அவங்கள கொண்டு போய் நிறுத்துவாங்க. நிறுத்தும்போது கோப்ரா வந்துட்டு, கோப்ரா மீன்ஸ் ஸ்னேக். ஓகே, நாகப்பாம்புன்னு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, அது. ஓகே, ஸோ அது வந்துட்டு பிட் பண்ணுச்சுன்னா, கடிச்சிருச்சுன்னா அவங்க வந்துட்டு கெட்டவங்க, அவங்க பனிஷ் பண்ணப்பட்டாங்க அப்படின்னு. அது கடிக்கலை அப்படின்னா அவங்க இன்னசென்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நம்பப்பட்டது. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி ஜஸ்டிஸும் அந்த பீரியடில் இருந்தது. ஸோ அண்டு பனிஷ்மெண்ட், லிம்ஸ் ஆஃப் த பாடி, டார்ச்சர்ஸ், அதாவது பார்த்திங்கன்னா ஆஃபெண்டிங், சவுக்கால் அடிக்கிறது, டார்ச்சர்ஸ், இம்ப்ரிஸ்மெண்ட் அண்ட் இம்போசிஷன்ஸ், ஃபைன் இம்போசிஷன் பண்ணுறது, இதெல்லாம் வந்துட்டு அந்த பீரியடில் இருந்தது. ஓகே, ஸோ லோக்கல் அட்மினிஸ்ட்ரேஷன் பார்த்திங்கன்னா இந்த என்டையர் கிங்டம் வாஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் மண்டலம். மண்டலம் வாஸ் டிவைடட் இன்ட்டு நாடு. நம்ம இப்போவும் இருக்குது இல்லைங்களா, மண்டலம் நாடு நல்லா பார்க்குறோம் இல்லையா. இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கோவை மண்டலம், இது வந்துட்டு அந்த மாதிரி ஒவ்வொரு மண்டலமாக பிரிச்சிருக்குது. சென்னை மண்டலம், சேலம் மண்டலம் அப்படின்னு பிரிச்சிருக்கு. ஓகேவா, ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி என்டையர் கிங்டம் வாஸ் கால்ட் மண்டலம். மண்டலம் வாஸ் டிவைடட் இன்ட்டு நாடு. குரம் வாஸ் subdivision of நாடு. The ஊர் was a village. Now also we are using this words. Okay, so big cities is called Perur. The big villages is called as a Perur. Small villages are called Sirur and Mudur. Old villages are called Mudur. Okay, so it is called depending upon their population. Okay, Pattinam was named the coastal regions. Coastal region town and Poombugar, this and all they named as a Pattinam. Okay, coastal regions are, they are given the name Pattinam. And Poombugar was the general term for harbour town. Okay, that period it was the harbour town. Okay, Kanna. So tomorrow we say about the importance of the town and the status of that period, how the women was in that period, what is the status is given to the woman on that period. We will see it on next class. Okay, Kanna. Thank you.